Alright, here's my messenger class. Starts with just a simple boolean is in range to make sure that it's a proper port number. And the main method, if one argument and that argument is in range, then that's the port number for the client. So I create a new client instance of the client class. Else, if it has two arguments and the second argument is in the port range, then it means it's a server. And then I create a new instance of the server class and start the two-way communicate server method. Else it'll just prompt the user to input the proper arguments and information. As far as the server goes, I just have all my variables, address, socket, print writer, buffer reader, all that stuff, output stream, input stream. The constructor takes a port number, creates a server socket, waits for the client to connect, and when that happens, it accepts the client connection, tells it, creates a buffered reader for system input, output stream, and then a print writer to push that out or display that output stream on the distant end. And then at the same time, I have an input stream coming from the client and a buffered reader receiver to take those bytes and turn them into text. And just a while loop. I start the while loop for the server on listening, waiting for input. I was able to get two-way communication, but only a message from client, then server replies, then client replies, then server replies. So only kind of like synchronous, I guess. The while loop, if it receives a something of length 0, so just like an enter, it closes the socket and returns. And then this is for the if it has input, the input 0, push a 0, push empty string, close and return. And if not, print the input to the distant end to the client. Gotta handle the exceptions. Close method for closing the socket. Messenger client is basically the exact same stuff. The only thing that's different is I have the first if conditional and the while loop to be set to accept input, and then the second one, so they're just flipped. But yeah, like I said, I can only get one message at a time to each, and it has to go like that. I couldn't figure out how to do it otherwise. When I run it, same for client. This works. And then I have to switch to the other. So, and it's just back and forth. And then if I click and enter on the other one, just close the program, both of them. That seems to be about it.